some air now. Let your edge out. Put some ice book, you'll be heavy.
They sell a bunch here for 25 shillings. So I just got one bunch and that's what I'm cutting. Nilikuwa najaribu kucut from the chopping board, but I'm like no. Nilikuwa najidanganya. So let me just chop this kale kwanza. This is sukuma wiki. This is what I'll be having with some eggs today. So I try to cut it as thin as possible, ndio nisitumie mafuta mingi pia in the cooking, because when it's thin, at least mafuta utumii, you know, mboga needs not a lot, but even delivery of oil, yeah, the cooking oil. So the thinner, the lesser oil. This is a thinly sliced sukuma wiki that I have just been cutting. Now, you're probably wondering mbona nimekata kwa sufuria. Well, it's because I'm going to boil it. Yes, you heard that right. For like 3 to 5 minutes because of my stomach issues, taki mashida. That's why I try to avoid sukuma wiki as much as I can. But because I want to eat it, lazima ni boil kwanza. So while the kale is still boiling, let me just start preparing all the other ingredients that I'll be needing for the cooking process. All this just tomatoes, onions, and some capsicum, and maybe I'll add coriander and some garlic later on.
Cozy.
Today I'm feeling so lazy, so I've decided to just make some noodles and boiled egg. That's what I'll be having for supper. I decided to add some kachumbari on the side, not really on the side, but you know, on the side. Imebaki kidogo, so this is what I'm adding here to add some more flavor kwa food. And this is it. Very lazy meal, but economic, time friendly, and all that. So
Treat me like I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Argument, air me out. Shit about to worry about.
I don't even have to add in oil because it already has oil of its own, and that's what I'm going to use.
I've been down, baby. Every reminiscence, every other missing you wishing, maybe you what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the universe, lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. If you wonder why. Make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you want it, I hate you. Shit you do to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you mishandle me.
By now, it's clear that I'm not the most it's clear that I'm not the most dedicated girl in the kitchen or whatever. So today, I've just bought some fries. I've not bought actually, nimebaiwa. So let me just be honest. I've been bought for some fries. Na nimesema, I don't want to be boring. So, I want to refry the fries. Hey, it's a lot. So, I have my onion, tomato, carrot, garlic, coriander na some spring onions. Hizo ndio I'm going to stir fry. Alafu nichanganye nayo. Alafu this sauce, it is, I call it mama's sauce. Huwa naletewa so pia mimi. Yeah. So ilikuwa hapa, I've just transferred it here. This is how I keep them. I keep it. Alafu hii yenye imebaki ndio I'll be using for today. So let's just alafu some Coke because I realized I love cold Coca-Cola. Yeah, so that's what I'm drinking. That's it guys, my cook and my food done. today I'm making the most basic thing I can make. I can cook. Hey, and I love it. It's just not my mom, it's me. Managu, yes. It's mboga ya kienyeji, but it's really nice. I've already cut the onions and tomatoes. So let's just get into the cooking. So this is the managu. It was already cut. Ni safi. Yeah, she washed it kwanza akakata into a new uhuru bag. So let's just cook. So I sema my attention was somewhere and the vitunguu almost turned black, but I just saved them. Nimeongeza some 2 Royco cubes, and yeah, I won't add in the managu immediately because lazima I boil it kidogo tu before adding it in here. I think it's enough. It has been less than 5 minutes, but hivo iko sawa. It's like that. So I'm going to sieve it. Yeah, just to remove the excess water and then niweke kwingine. So that's it, my managu is ready. I've only added salt, just kidogo, because the 2 cubes were not enough. Alafu, if one loves milk, this is the part where you add milk, but I'm not a lover of dairy, so I won't be doing that. My managu is ready as it is. Sasa tupike ugali and that's it. Who doesn't add the flour inside to raise the boiling point, as the impurity, we learned in chemistry, so why not apply this? So this is the food done, and being the last day, I'll just close with some closing remarks. Anyway, if you have watched up to this far, thank you so much. It has been an interesting 1 week of just cooking and recording every day, and I've loved it, and I hope you love these ideas that I've shared with you. They're cheap, not affordable, and easy to get foods in Kenya. So yeah, just enjoy cooking, enjoy watching, and don't forget to like. If you haven't subscribed, tafadhali, please subscribe to my channel for more and more content. And I love you guys.